Good morning, aspirants. It's Thursday, July 10, 2025. You're listening to Brinda Bulletin, your smart shortcut to daily current affairs for UPSC and beyond. Let's dive straight into today's headlines sorted for your exam preparations. National news. Bridge collapse in Gujarat. 12 people died after a 40-year-old portion of the Gambhira Bridge near Padra Vadodara collapsed. Rescue operations are ongoing. The bridge connected central Gujarat to Saurashtra. Multiple vehicles fell into the Mahisagar River. No decision on NPR with Census 2027. The Home Ministry confirmed that no decision has been taken yet regarding updating the National Population Register alongside Census 2027. Delhi riot case, bail opposed. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the Delhi High Court that those accused in the 2020 Delhi riots, including Umar Khalid and Shahjal Imam, should remain in jail till verdict. Massive labour strike across India. Over 25 crore workers participated in a nationwide strike called by trade unions protesting against labour policies. Kerala witnessed a near total shutdown with public transport halted and business closed. Odisha detains migrants. TMC alleges harassment. Odisha police detained 444 people for identity verification. TMC claims many were Bengali migrant workers wrongly detained. Excise scam case. Kejriwal challenges summons. Delhi High Court sought ED's reply to Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging the money laundering summons related to Delhi excise policy. Conversion case in UP. Enforcement Directorate files Prevention of Money Laundering Act case. Enforcement Directorate registered a money laundering case against individuals involved in an alleged religious conversion racket in Balrampur. Delhi rain chaos. Heavy rain caused waterlogging and traffic disruption across Delhi. IMD issued a red alert. JNU hostel room. JNU announced no automatic extension of PhD hostel stays due to institutional norms. Students continue their hunger strike. Kerala High Court quashes KEAM 2025 results. The court found that new ranking method discriminated against CBSE and ICSE students. International news. BRICS Summit concludes in Rio. The 17th BRICS Summit ended with the Rio Declaration, and the key points are condemnation of Gaza attacks, push for UNSC reforms, India's strong stance on terrorism, expansion of WTO and de-dollarization debated. India to lead BRICS in 2026. Israel-Iran conflict fallout continues. Editorial notes reference the Red Wedding-style Israeli attack on Iran's military and nuclear sites. Escalation continues post-June 13 airstrikes. Science and technology. NIA raids in Bengaluru. Radicalization case. NIA arrested a psychiatrist and ASI and the mother of a terror suspect for facilitating communication and smuggling phones into prison. Teachers turned drug makers. Breaking Bad case. 2 science teachers arrested in Rajasthan's Sri Ganga Nagar for running an MD drug lab. Environment and ecology. NGT fines Delhi Jal Board Rs 50,000 for repeated adjournments in an illegal groundwater extraction case. Posthumous relief. No Nipah found in Kerala death. A woman who died in quarantine tested negative for Nipah, easing fears. Sports. India at Lord's Shubman Gill leads squad. Gill's team gears up for the second test against England. Focus on